Good morning, class. My name is Mrs. Omotayo. I'll be teaching JSS3 mathematics this morning. Last week, we talked about central of tendency, where we discussed mean, median, and mode. We did calculation on mean, median, and mode. And this morning, we'll be looking at calculating averages from frequency table. The averages we talked about last week was mean, median, and mode. And this morning we'll be using frequency table to calculate those averages. Now, before we continue, what is a frequency table? It's a table that lists and shows the number of times the items occur. That is a frequency table. It shows the number of times items occurs. Now, let's look at some examples. We have example A and B. The question is, find the mode, median, and mean of the following set of data. Now, we have A, 12, 11, 8, 5, 11, 8, and 8. Then B, we have a table. The question is in form of a table. I will be calculating mean, median, and mode. Now let's look at the solution to question A. These are the data that are given. Now, before we can start our calculation, we need to first of all rearrange the data. We can arrange them from the least to the highest, or from the highest to the least. Now, rearranging from the least to the highest. The least number here is 5. So we write it 5. 5 is occurring one time, followed by 8. 8 appears 3 times, so we write it that 3 times. 11 appear 2 times, we write it that 2 times. Then 12 appear once, we write it once. Now, from this our arrangement, now how do we get our mode? What is a mode? If you can recall, we said mode is the number that appear most in the data. Now, the number that appear most here is what? 8. So our mode is 8. Now, what about median? We say median is the middle number when the data are arranged. Now, we have already arranged the numbers. Now, we will now be crossing the numbers. We cross the first one, we cross the last, we cross the second, then you cross the second to the last. We cross the third, then we cross the third to the last. Now, which number is left at the middle? 8. So this is our median. Now, our mean. The mean is you sum up all the data that are given and you divide them by the number of the data that are given. How many are the data given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when you sum all the numbers together, we now divide by 7. So the sum of this will give us 63 divided by 7, which is 9. That is our mean.